Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious pineapple jalapeno margarita. First, gather your key ingredients: fresh pineapple, a crisp jalapeno, and your favorite tequila. You'll also need fresh lime juice and a simple sweetener like agave nectar. Don't forget ice and a shaker. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll infuse those amazing flavors. In your shaker, gently muddle a few pineapple chunks with 1 or 2 thin slices of jalapeno. Be careful not to overmuddle the jalapeno, as its seeds contain most of the heat. This step is crucial for releasing the sweet and spicy essence into your drink. Now it's time to craft your margarita. Add 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and about 3/4 of an ounce of your chosen sweetener to the shaker. Fill the shaker with ice, secure the lid, and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This chills and properly dilutes your drink for perfect balance. Finally, strain your beautifully mixed margarita into a prepared glass filled with fresh ice. You can rim your glass with salt or sugar if desired. Garnish with a fresh pineapple wedge or a thin jalapeno slice for an appealing presentation. Take a moment to appreciate your creation before enjoying this refreshing, spicy, and sweet cocktail. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.